Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this is another error correction program. This is from 2210 summer 15, paper 2 of 2, and this is only 9 line of code, and they said that there are 4 errors in this program. So read this section of the program. A section of the program doesn't mean that it is pseudocode. It is a program, intact program, which can compile, which can run, and that should input 30 positive numbers and then output the largest number input. Okay, they said that 4 errors in this program, and look at the error and suggest the correct piece of each error. So starting with the large equals to double line. This double line should be replaced with the smallest number, because if you are going to input the first number as 1, this new number which you are providing is the largest number in your program. So we are going to remove this double line and placing it with 0. So I'm going to write it the correction over here right now, that this should be 0. Counter equals to 0. They started with the counter, and in this counter we have no trouble. While counter is greater than 30. Now there is a trouble over here, that while counter is greater than 30, then we cannot iterate, we cannot go through with this program, because counter is 0. So while counter is greater than 30, then we are about to do all these, we are about to read all these lines. But counter is right now, what we have to do is to change it with the less than 30. Now we can come into these lines. Do what? Input, take an input as a number. If number is less than large, so large we have already done with the 0. So but what they said, if number is less than the large, then large equals to number, which means that what we have taken as a number, we should replace the variable large with this new number. As this less than is a trouble over here. That is, if number is, it should be number is greater than the large. So we are going to put greater than sign over here, and once we are going to the line number 7, they said the counter equals to counter minus 1. So counter is already 0, and what if we are going to minus it? It's going into the minus area, means -1, -2, -3, and -4, and this loop will never end, because we have to put 30 numbers. So and we are already putting it as a lesser sign. So what we are going to do is to add a plus sign instead of this minus, and the rest of the program is very much okay. That's it. Thank you very much.